How to request for VAT. Are you trying to request VAT on the REV360 portal but you are not sure where to start? Many business owners see the VAT section on REV360 showing 0 but get confused about the correct process and information needed. In this video, I will show you step by step how to request VAT on REV360 and the important things you need to know before submitting. Welcome to CAC Business Registration Shola 247. Let's get started. As you all know that presently, due to the upgrade going on the REV360 portal, your VAT is no more displaying on the taxes due section of your REV360 dashboard. And this had led to several questions in my DM from my students and some other people asking questions. Am I still to file, or should I just leave it like that? Should I let it go since they did not give me? In my own opinion, I will suggest and advise you request for it and file it, even if you are filing new. Yes, you all you need to do is to request. So I'll be showing us how you can request for your VAT. It will appear and then you will need to file to prevent stories that touches the heart, because we don't really know what is coming up next regarding it. So if yours is showing 0, as everybody's own is now showing 0, make sure you file before you sit down and relax. So let's go. Here is a disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purpose only. The information shared in this video is to guide business owners, entrepreneurs, and the general public request for their monthly VAT on the REV360 portal. This content should not be considered as professional tax or legal advice. Always confirm your specific business requirements with the appropriate tax authority or a qualified professional. With that being said, let's go straight into how to request for your monthly VAT. How to request for monthly VAT. In this video, I will be taking us through how we can request for our VAT, simply because the VAT is no more showing automatically, and some people are suggesting that you should just leave it since it's not showing. But in my own opinion, I will suggest you request for it and then you file it, so as to be on a safer side to prevent stories that touches the heart. So let's go straight to it, as I will show us how we can request for our VAT, so as for us to be able to file. All you need is to log into your portal. Once you get to this interface, come down to self-tax filing. It will load up for you. You will be seeing 0 like this. So for you to be able to file it, you click on this taxes due where you have 0. Click on it. It will load up and open this particular interface for you. Once this particular interface is being opened, you come to where you see request assessment. You can see where my arrow is pointing at. Once you click on that, this request extra assessment box will pop up for you. Now listen attentively for you to know what you need to choose. You click on this arrow down and it will pop up. We are going to see all the kind of taxes that you can request for before you can file it. Then you click on value added tax, that is VAT. You pick VAT. It will pick that VAT up for you. Then the next box will indicate for you to be able to choose the exact month of VAT that you want to file. So presently we are in the month of June, so we need to file for May, because you file a month after that month. I don't know if you understand me. This is how it works. After you've picked the exact tax that you want to request, you pick the month. The month you are to pick is for the month of May, because it is May VAT that you want to file. This is how it works. We file January VAT in February. We file February VAT in March. And that of March is being filed in April. The April VAT is what we filed last month, which was May. Now we are to file for May, and we are in June. It is May VAT that we will demand for. So make sure you are choosing the right date, which is May, and it's 2026. Then you come here and pick how many. Is it 1, is it 2, is it 3? So we are requesting just for 1. That one we indicate there. Then you click on generate assessment. So once you click on generate assessment, all you need to do is to make sure you confirm the request very well, and make sure you are requesting the right month, so that you won't put yourself in trouble. Yes, so that you won't mistakenly request for maybe March or February VAT, so as for you not to fall victim of any penalty. So once you've confirmed that, you click on confirm and generate, and it will load up for you. Then you are going to see that it's already appear automatically. Now that you have requested for it, it's going to appear instantly. Should in case your own is not appearing instantly, make sure you redo it, request for it again, and once it appears, you go straight to file instantly. Don't leave it. Don't say I'll come back to file. Immediately you request and it appears, you are going to file. You can see my own has appeared. Now if we zoom and check the dates that remains for our VAT to elapse as of when I'm making this video, it's remaining 16 days. That is due in 16 days. So click on file, and it will take us down to this place. I've already explained how you can file your nil filing on this channel before. If you missed that video or you've not watched that video, please go back and watch it, or you type nil VAT filing in the comment section. I will send you the direct link for you to watch it, so that you understand the details of what you need to do. So I will just download the VAT template. We've been doing this before now. This is not our first time. So you can see, once you download it, you open and do the needful. Open up for you. Once you've done the needful, you come back to this particular place. I wouldn't want this video to be too long. Then you upload that particular template that you've downloaded. After you've done what you need to do, you upload it and click on upload assessment. Give it time to load up for it to upload. You can see upload successfully. Then you come down to this place and you accept this declaration. Then you click on file now. Click on file now, and boom, you have successfully filed your VAT. So if you go back now to where we have our taxes due, you can see it's now showing 0 back, which means we have filed our VAT. Let's go back to the main dashboard. You see it, you can see it right now that our VAT is now showing 0. So that is how you request for your VAT monthly and file it. I hope we understand. If this video has been helpful, if you find value in this video, don't forget to like, drop your question in the comment section if you have any question, and don't forget to join the family by subscribing. Subscription is free. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye for now.